Enhancing eye power naturally. Tips for clearer vision. In a world where screen dominates our daily lives and environmental stressors challenge our eyes, maintaining good vision has become a top priority. Fortunately, there are numerous natural ways to boost and maintain your eye power without resorting to invasive measures. In this video, I want to share with you some effective methods to enhance your eye power naturally. First of all, get adequate sleep. Our eyes overworking every day. They're tired and super strained. You can notice it in the morning, vision is clearer, and in the evening it's blurry. Quality sleep is vital for the overall health of your eyes. During sleep, your eyes recover and repair from a daily strain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to ensure your eyes are well rested and ready for the next day. Get a break from screens. After 30 minutes of screen time, just close your eyes for 1 minute or go to drink water or look at the window. The eyes need to get some rest from eye strain. The best way not to get eye strain as much as practicable. Eye exercises and relaxation techniques. Just as you engage in physical exercises to keep your body fit, certain eye exercises can help to stretch your eye muscles and enhance focus. Palming, blinking, near-far focusing exercises, and diagonals are simple techniques that can be done regularly to improve eye flexibility and eye health overall. Maintain proper lighting. Proper lighting is essential for reducing eye strain. Ensure your workspace is well lit and avoid glare on screens or reflective surfaces. Adjust the brightness and contrast settings on your devices to create a comfortable viewing experience. If you're using a screen at night, dim down your screen or turn on night mode. Try to reduce stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your overall health, including your eyes. Practice stress relief techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to promote relaxation and improve blood circulation to your eyes. The best way to fall asleep is to turn on meditation for facial muscle relaxation, to relieve eye strain and boost eye recovery at night. If you want step-by-step comprehensive eye training course Eyesight Academy to get a fully explained in-depth eye training online program, a link in the description below. Enhancing your eye power naturally involves effective practices to improve eye health. By maintaining clear vision habits, practicing good screen habits, prioritizing sleep, and engaging in eye exercises, you can give your eyes the eye care they deserve. Remember that small, consistent effort can lead to significant improvements in your vision and contribute to a lifetime of clearer sight.